everyone, today's video is special for you if you are an adult who wants to sing and you feel that you have missed out because you didn't start as a child. This is one of the most common complaints I get from my adult students. By the way, I teach mainly adults, so I see this a lot. And now one of the reasons why I like to teach adults is because I really believe that they can learn much faster than kids. And now don't get me wrong, I get it. Kids are sponges, learn very fast, but something you have to understand is that they usually stick to lessons for a number of years. Like the kids that I have in my lessons, they have been with me for 3 years or more. That's what they get so good at it. And on the other hand, I get adults, and then if they don't sing amazingly well in 1 month, they are like, oh, I don't have talent, I better do other things. So as I said, adults have the potential to learn much faster than kids, and therefore you can catch up. Today I'm going to tell you a few ways that you can use your practice wisely. This is very important. Usually adults don't use their practice wisely and they either don't progress or progress very slowly because of that, but you do have the potential for it, and I'm going to teach you how to do it today. I'm going to teach you how to improve 10 times faster, and stay until the end because the last points might be a little bit surprising. By the way, if you are interested in saving a lot of time of training, I would love to tell you about my one-on-one coaching program that is designed to give you a year's worth of vocal training in 10 weeks. If you are interested and you want to save some time, then go to the description below. You can apply from the link there, and then we can arrange a call and I can tell you more about it. Now let's go to the ways you can improve your singing 10 times faster. The first one is use a method. One of the reasons why people really struggle to progress in singing is because they train from YouTube and they just get one video here, one video there. They have no idea what level is the video for, or if the exercises are good for them or not, and they just hope for the best. It's going to take you a long time to progress like that. Years, and we don't have that much time as adults, all right? So choose a method and stick to it. Choose a teacher and stick to it. Choose a channeler and stick to it, and don't skip steps. If you're a beginner, do beginner stuff. It's very important. If you skip those steps, there are going to be so many gaps and you're going to hit a ceiling very fast. So that's the first one. Second one, use a sensory awareness method. So this is going to really accelerate your progress. And what I mean by this is try not to use a method that works by imitating. If you are an adult, we are wired not to learn by imitating. I know that's the way kids learn, but we are adults now, and we are more introspective. We have the capacity to be more introspective. So, kids are very external. They learn by copy. But that is not a very refined way of learning if you want to progress fast. So choose a method that has a lot of components of sensing your body and sensing your instrument, such as the method I teach, or also the functional method. Also, some methods based on Alexander technique are very good. Try to choose methods that are about sensing your instrument. That is where you're going to have the fastest result and the most control over your voice. Number 3, be fully present. It's very tempting to do warm-ups and drills and that kind of things while you are doing other things. Fun is not going to help you. Also very popular, singing your drills while you are in the car. Fun, but it's not going to help you. Just have that on mind. It's a waste of time and energy. It's actually taking time from you. Even if you practice 10 minutes but you are fully present, that is going to help you so much more and make you progress much faster. For singing, you need to be fully present because singing is about creating new habits. If you are not fully present, you are just repeating old habits. Very likely you are reinforcing your speaking instrument, and for singing with freedom, you have to bring your instrument from speaking mode to singing mode. So that's very important. Number 4, set goals for your practice. Don't just practice randomly what you feel like that day. Well, you can do a little bit of that, but it's best if you set some goals with some timelines. So for example, a set of 10 songs that you want to learn in 6 months, or an audition that you want to prepare, or a video that you want to record. It's very important because that is going to keep you focused and it's going to make you progress much faster. Number 5, update your warm-ups to serve you better. Don't practice the same exact warm-ups for the rest of your life. So basically, I talked in another video about this. I got this idea from an amazing book called The Singing Athlete. And basically the idea is that the exercises that you want to do as warm-ups, they are your high reward exercises. They are exercises that are habits already. You can do it very easily. You can do them lying down, standing up, upside down, in front of people, and you can always do it. It's second nature. So those are your warm-ups. The things you do when you start your practice to get your voice ready to sing, okay? And so the idea is that when you practice more and more, you're going to be incorporating things. When they become easier, you're going to be incorporating things to your high reward exercises repertoire. So you want to warm up with the right exercises that are easy for you, but also you want to update them to serve your specific practice of the day. So for example, if I am going to be singing songs that have very high notes, that's where I'm going to be going from my warm-up. If I am going to be singing distortion, I'm going to pay a lot of attention to my chest voice to have a strong voice that doesn't break, as well as a lot of coordination between my registers. As I mentioned, you can apply for my vocal coaching program if you want to learn more what works for you. But yeah, that's something that is going to save you a lot of time. Number 6, record yourself. Seriously, especially when you're starting out, what you hear when you're singing is not what is actually sounding. So record yourself, review every single video, and you're going to find so much more information. You're going to be able to improve much more quickly. And if you're a beginner, you're going to hate recording yourself, maybe. Just do it anyway. Like, it goes away. The feeling goes away. And of course, you don't have to show that to anyone. It's just for you. It really helps. Number 7, obvious but practice daily. The important thing is not how many hours you do a week, but how often you practice. Try to practice every day. If you can dedicate an hour of singing a day, that would be great. That, of course, having in mind that you have a method, an organized method. You're not just randomly singing songs. Otherwise, that can tire you out. And of course, this depends on how advanced you are. If you are a completely beginner, half an hour a day might be enough. As you progress, then you naturally want to sing a bit more. Number 8, listen to a lot of music. This one also, as well as all the others, very, very important. So when you learn not only from practicing, but also from listening. When you listen to a singer, in your brain, the same areas that you would be using if you were singing sort of lighten up. Adults mainly listen to the same things over and over again. And we're kind of proud of listening to the same things that we listened when we were 13. And we also love to say that new artists are not good. Well, if you want to be a great singer, just stop being that person and listen to a lot of music, old, new, from different genres, from different countries. That is going to give you a lot of versatility, a lot of new tools without you having to do it. And that is also going to give you a much better ear, which you need for singing. Those are a lot of tips. If you can do all of that, I promise you, you're going to progress so much faster. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe and like it, and let me know in the comments what other topics would you like to see covered.